And those who've never felt its flame will wander far and wide through hollow days and borrowed ways, with no one by their side. But I release the thoughts of you without a trace of pain. My soul, though torn, still walks adorned